Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the home page in Google Chrome. So what you want to do, once you open up the Google Chrome app guys, you click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on settings, scroll down to where you have the home page option here. If you tap on that, you will see that most likely it is set by default to the Chrome's homepage, but you can click on the custom homepage here and you can change this to whatever you want. So let's say I want to change this to maybe YouTube as an example, right? I can go ahead and I can type in YouTube, right? And I can click and let's say .com, put the .com there, and then let me go ahead and fix this .com and just click and done. And guess what? That's it. Now, once you go back to your home page, you want to go ahead and open up a new tab, of course, and then you will need to click the home, little home icon on the upper left hand side, and you will see that it takes you back to the home page. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and easily change your home page in Google Chrome. So you want to go to your settings, then go down to home page under the advanced tab there, and then you want to enter the website that you want to have your own page set. And that's it.